Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Affiliate Accelerator, which launched on the 19th of June at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent training program, affiliate marketing training program from Billy Dar and Justin Opay. Now, these guys are serious super affiliates, folks. They've been there and they've got the t-shirt. So, absolutely, you should be interested in what these guys have got to say. This is a really competitively priced course that will be absolutely ideal for those of you that are either brand new to affiliate marketing or else you are struggling at the moment to get a foothold on it. You're not making the sort of sales figures that you want to be making. Well, these guys are going to take you through the exact steps that they use. I look at the affiliate leaderboards every day, folks, and these guys are pretty much always there, yeah? Anything that they promote, you can guarantee that they will be in the top 10 on the sales leaderboard. So they're a young pair, and the information that they teach is invaluable, so I'm going to highly recommend this product to you. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, and you want to be at the level they're at, which is banking regularly without fail 100, 200, 300 and even 500 a day with a small amount of time spent on setting up affiliate marketing offers, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Affiliate Accelerator from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and you can get hold of them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will have expired. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as the title suggests, they are in fact custom bonuses, which means that they won't be available from any other affiliate. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Affiliate Accelerator, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more helpful for you to succeed with Affiliate Accelerator than what anyone else is offering. So what actually is Affiliate Accelerator? Well, as I've said, it is a training course, and it's at last a no BS solution that flat out gets you results. This is how Jason and Billy bank 100, 200, 300 and even $500 in as little as 15 minutes a day. You can instantly unlock the secrets that's helped Billy's students go from 0 to hundreds daily in record time. Now, the sales video is here, which you should watch. It's also on my bonus page, so you can easily have a look at that. It's beginner friendly and simple to implement, absolutely newbie friendly, this method, folks, yeah. You can be up and running in the next 60 minutes. It's completely brand new 2019 ready training, so this isn't a rehash of old material. This is the exact method that Billy and Justin are using now, today, to make money. Free buyer traffic methods included, absolutely crucial if you're a newbie and on a budget. You can ethically steal the 3-figure a day secrets from these guys, proven copy and paste methods that work. Now, these two are absolutely astonishing, folks, and they show how confident the team are that you will get results from this, yeah? Now, Billy and Justin have been around for ages, so they're not going anywhere, so you can completely trust that they are going to be around. So when someone that you know is going to be there in a year's time makes you this offer, this is astonishing, folks. They are giving you not a 30-day or even a 60-day ClickBank guarantee. They are giving you a 365-day money-back guarantee. You will see it further down the sales page in writing, but Billy says that if at any time, for any reason, in the next year, you want to get a refund for this product because you're not happy with it, then he will give you a refund, no questions asked, yeah? Now, that is pretty high confidence from a fairly young lad, I have to say, so fair play. But he goes even further than that. If you follow the exact methods that are included in this course, in the Affiliate Accelerator training program, you actually complete the modules and all of the tasks in them, yeah? then not only will he give you a full refund, but he will actually send you $200 if you don't succeed with this product. Yeah. So if you haven't made the money that Billy and Justin say that you'll make, then they will send you $200. Yeah. Now, most of the methods that they're using are methods that I'm using, folks. Yeah. And so they work. They just flat out work. Yeah. If you follow these methods, yeah, you are going to get results. So, follow the methods and enjoy the results. And you've got the guarantee that you can get your money back. And if it doesn't work for you for some strange reason, they will even give you $200 of their own money. That's how confident they are. All right, so we will come back to the sales page, folks, and we will also go into the members area at Affiliate Accelerator. There's Billy, and as you can see, he is a young lad, and he's doing very well. And this is the Affiliate Accelerator training program. So let's go and have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, as I said, you'll come through to this page, and this review video that I'm just making will be on here. These are just the points we've gone through and what's included. This is the sales video, which, as I said, you should watch. And my bonuses, so what I'm doing here is I'm teaching you additional training methods that aren't included in the course or that complement what's in the course. And then on top of that, I'm also giving you some excellent traffic generation methods. So the first bonus is a course from another super affiliate. I always think it helps to hear from different people that explain things in a slightly different way. This is a bit of a quirky course, 0 to $100 in 24 hours from Jono Armstrong. The backstory of this is that some super affiliate friends of Jono set him a challenge. So they took everything away from him and dumped him in a street in Jakarta in Indonesia. It is where he lives, by the way. They didn't fly him out to some obscure country and drop him off. No, he lives in Jakarta. But they dropped him off in the middle of the street. They took away his laptop, his iPhone, all of his lists, all of his way of contacting people, all of his cash, his wallet. And he had to make it all. He had to make $100 in 24 hours to get everything back. So that is exactly showing you how Jono dealt with that situation. The second one, this is a method actually from one of Jono's students, a guy called Eric Kaji. Now, this is a great method called the secret weapon. Now, I actually did this training course back in February or March, I think it was, and I made $28 commission within 2 hours of setting this method up. Yeah, so this is another one that absolutely works. Really like this little course from Eric. This one, the Fuego Breakout, this is about retargeting, and again it's a course from Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong. And then the traffic generation methods that I told you about, this social media masterclass, this is an hour and a half's training on what's working in social media marketing in 2019. And 4 free website traffic super hacks, again, all 2019 content. These two are relatively brand new bonuses that I've only been offering, in the case of this one, for about a week or so. In the case of social media masterclass, I've only been offering this bonus since yesterday, so it's absolutely up to date. So, folks, you can see a lot of value there for your front end purchase. So let's head back. I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page because I think it's more valuable for you. So obviously you can read this. You can have a look in the members area. So have a look through and just see some of the testimonials that you would expect. These are actual results from Billy and Justin. Yeah, so. Have a look through all of this, have a look at the results, have a look at the testimonials, and we will go through exactly what you're going to get. Step-by-step training, a Q&A call, dedicated support, an audio edition of the program, and action steps for each training module. And we will also go through the bonuses that you will get from Billy and Justin in just a second. All right, so first let's go here. So this is the dashboard, and the first thing you should do is watch the welcome video where Billy is going to give you an overview of how this all works. And then we've just got 4 modules of content, each broken down with individual videos. So you've got the overview initially, the overview setup. Just click on that. And again, you should watch the lesson and then you should implement what's being taught in it. Yeah. The big picture, the affiliate network. So again, if you're a complete beginner, you don't know anything about any of this stuff, I'm going to walk you through it. Even if you are intermediate or struggling, you should watch all of these videos so you can see exactly where Billy and Justin are coming from. The required tools, niche and product selection, and action steps. So in each case, you work through the training and you do the steps. Yeah, so like niche and product selection. Billy's going to show you where the money is online and which 3 markets are the most profitable. Additionally to that, you'll also learn how to find high converting affiliate products. Yeah, so watch this video, 12 minutes long, take the action. Yeah, obviously I can't go through every individual video. Next, we've got the setup. So the overview, how we're going to set up our affiliate funnel, how we're going to create our lead magnet, something to give away to get people onto our email lists, the affiliate funnel setup, and then our action steps. Once we've got all that set up, the next stage is getting traffic to our offers. So we've got an overview again and different traffic methods. Yeah. Then we've got retargeting once we've identified some people that have visited our pages. And again, we've got action steps. And then we move on to consistent sales, the overview, finding products, adding bonuses. Like I add bonuses. Everyone should offer bonuses with their affiliate products. The email strategy, bonus pages, and action steps. So again, everything that I'm doing pretty much is included here, folks. Yeah. So all the action steps that you need to become a successful affiliate is included with this course. Plus you've got those guarantees as well. So these are the bonuses that you're going to get from Billy and Justin. Firstly, 1K a day online training. You'll be invited to an exclusive customer only training call where you'll learn the secrets of how the guys make up to 1,000 a day. A free buyer traffic in seconds app. They'll also throw in a copy of their award-winning free traffic generation software. Bonus 3 is a $1,100 case study. Bonus 4 is a 60K in 60 days case study. Bonus 5 is a 13K in 6 days case study. Bonus 6 is direct access to Billy. You're also getting direct access to Billy inside a private mastermind group. Bonus 7 is a $100 discount on the first upgrade. You'll instantly qualify for a special discount coupon. And bonus 6 is a closed door Q&A call. You'll be invited to a live Q&A where you can get live help and support. Plus, there's a very super bonus included, which is a way that you can get back your investment as quickly as today to demonstrate that they actually care about your hard-earned money and want you to succeed fast. They're including their simple 5-minute strategy that you can put to work right away that will let you recoup your investment or 10 times it as quickly as today. This isn't a gimmick. The lads have personally tested this strategy to the tune of 5 figures, and you're getting it absolutely free. And here is that guarantee from Billy. I'll read out exactly what he says. I'm so confident that you'll get results with this program that I'm not only willing to take all the risk, but I'm also happy to put my money where my mouth is. How many times have you seen that before? If you follow everything we teach inside the program and for some bizarre reason you don't get results, just open a support ticket and we'll send you $200 and fully refund you. As well as that, we're also giving you the unconditional 365-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you read that right, 365 freaking days. So if for whatever reason or no reason at all you want your money back, just let us know and we'll send you back every cent. If you're not happy, we don't want your money. It's that simple. Oh, and you can keep everything too. So what are you waiting for? Act now and lock in your discounted copy right now. That is the strongest guarantee, folks, that I have ever seen in affiliate marketing. Yeah, that is how confident the guys are that this works. I know it works because I'm doing something pretty similar to it, and I'm earning over $5,000 a month online now. Yeah, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so this is what you're going to get, folks, with all of this. Click on the button here to get started. The price is going up every 60 minutes. At the moment, you can get this for $17.98. Yeah, it'll probably be over $18 by the time you see this, but obviously it's great value. Let's just have a look at the upsells, folks. All right, so front end, price increasing every 60 minutes. So the first upsell is your Accelerator edition. So this contains Billy and Justin's 2-in-1 affiliate software that lets you create bonus pages and simple little PDFs embedded with their affiliate links, which you can share on social media in one click. This is $97, and it's a method that works really well for these guys. The next upsell is Affiliate Accelerator Traffic Edition for $47. This upgrade gives you one of their best-selling traffic apps that allows syndication of video, text, and images to 13 different social sites for massive free traffic. Again, have a look at the sales page, have a serious look at that. The next upsell is a 1K edition for $97. These upgrades show you how you can potentially scale up to 1K a day by leveraging more traffic strategies that they teach inside. Upsell 4 is the license edition. Effectively sell it as your own, keep 100% of the profits. That's $47. And the final upsell is the Diamond edition for $197. This is their top ticket price. And for this one, you'll get a very individual custom funnel set up. Now, they will actually set up a funnel for you on your hosting with your account so you can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely built for you, but they will also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails, and additional traffic tutorials. And so it's a very great upsell, that final one, if you can afford it. All right, folks. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5, folks. It's a really great course from a great bunch of lads that are successful. They are doing it, and they're going to teach you. And with that guarantee, cast iron guarantee like that, how can I not give it 5 out of 5? You've got absolutely nothing to lose by picking this up. So as I said, if you do want to take advantage of all these excellent bonuses, then all you need to do is click on these green button, any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click here to get started now, and then after your purchase you will come into the back office and your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button here to access your copy of Affiliate Accelerator, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. 5 out of 5 all the way. Thanks very much as ever. Those of you that watch these regularly will know that I rarely give 5 stars, once every 2 weeks, probably on average, if that. So, when I say it's a good product, folks. Yep. So thanks as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Affiliate Accelerator.